Yo, what's up? What's going on? What's going on? How are we all today on this beautiful Tuesday morning? We've got Heath in, we've got Stoney in. How are you all? Right. Let's have a quick glance at the news. Trump is trying to get rid of Lisa Cook. It's quite a funny saga to watch. We've got consumer confidence at 10 AM, manufacturing index. That's pretty much it, really. Pretty much it. So yeah, news on the hour. Shouldn't be too market impacting, but we'll keep an eye on it. No trade for me at all today. I was liking the look of a short from the previous day putting control during the London session, but we just chopped around, didn't get up there. So maybe we'll get it in the New York session. We shall see. I never took a trade yesterday. I was looking for a similar trade yesterday. And where was we? Oh, way too far back. Yesterday it basically played out, but we were about a point or two from my entry, and I like it to tap the entry, so never got into a position. But yeah, we sold off from that level that I was looking at yesterday. But maybe we'll get it today. Maybe we'll get it today. Looking for sales today? Yes, I think so. I haven't really had time to have a decent look, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, for me, we've still got more of this to at least eat into. I was looking for shorts this week anyways, sort of what I had in mind. And yeah, for me, I feel like we've come down, take lower day. And yeah, eat into this more is what I'm looking at. I do like the idea, to be honest, of taking the lows here, but I don't know if we'll, not today, but this week. I don't know if that will materialise or not, but yes, I think in the short term I'm a bit bearish, to be honest. I think let's get the poll sorted out. Start poll bias for this session. Tony's thinking short yet. Oh. But Tuesdays quite often tend to be choppy, don't they? So maybe we get the choppy session. Yeah, let me know what you're thinking. Yesterday wasn't amazing, but we did have a trending session yesterday. It just didn't feel like it. We were chopping sideways for ages, weren't we? And we eventually pushed up and then it chopped around again for ages. And it was more of a slow grind up, wasn't it? But I mean, looking at it, it's a trending session, so yeah, we could potentially get a chop today. I always find if Monday isn't too choppy, then Tuesday tends to be choppy, so who knows? Who knows? Right, we've got 45 seconds until market open. Oh, I just realised I've got my... There we go, you can see the P&L. Had a fresh cut this morning, fresh haircut. Which should free up more of my brain power to make money today. That's the thought behind it. Alright, we're open. Yeah, pretty choppy Asia and London session, really. Big sell-off in Asia. There was some form, I don't know if it was news or what. I haven't really looked, but yeah, big sell-off in Asia, and then we've just gone sideways since. Yeah, so I do like the idea of a push-up to this level so we can get a short today on the funded, but we shall see if we get it or not. Definitely a possible chop session, yes. Tuesdays, I think, are quite often choppy sessions. But I sometimes find if we have a choppy Monday, then Tuesday doesn't actually tend to be too bad. But yesterday wasn't actually too bad, really. So. Right, strong push up initially. Yes, looks like he wants to take London highs. Oh, I'm fucking tired today, man. Right, we're back to the Asia Open. ES taking London highs. Now we've come back and retested the Asia Open. Could sell back off now, maybe to the New York Open, maybe lower. And Q quite often likes to come and retest the Asia Open pretty quickly sometimes before doing whatever it's going to do for the day. Be some good entries sometimes. Not that I'm over balls didn't have to take them, but Bitcoin's had a bit of a sell-off in it the last few days, down to 110. Same as Ethereum as well. Ethereum hit all-time highs and sold off. There's no surprise there, I suppose, is there? It's another warm one today here in the UK. I'm looking forward to a bit of cooler weather. I don't appreciate the heat too much. I'm a typical British guy though. As soon as it's summer, I'm looking forward to a bit of colder weather. As soon as it's winter, I'm looking forward to summer. Never happy. Yeah, I think if we sell off today on ES, I haven't really got many trade opportunities on the funded. Possibly looked along from the previous week value low, but that's quite a move. 50 points. And Q's looking like it wants to retest the opening price. See what I mean about that Asia Open? Good level to enter from sometimes. Or we might be getting a sell short signal in a second on the indicator. Nothing on this bar. Been a bit of a slow few days on the funds. I don't think I've taken many trades, to be honest. Yeah, the last trade I took on the funded was Wednesday last week. This hasn't been the ideal setups really for me. I'm happy to sit and wait. There's no rush, is there? If we come back down now and take the 463 area, that'd be savage, wouldn't it? A lot of people long on this move, probably. Maybe it won't, but NQ likes to do that, doesn't it? Right, let's get this poll closed. 75% reckon short, 25% long. No chop. ES looking like it wants to push higher. Yes, it's pushing higher. Nasdaq stalling. Here we come back for that low. That's the old Nasdaq. Choppy Tuesday, Choppy Tuesday. "15 minutes till news." Maybe that will free us of the opening chop. Alright, so we're getting a short signal, but gotta wait for the candle close. Yeah, so quite heavy. Woohoo! There's a breakout I've been looking for. Yeah, we've broken out at least for now. That was fucking terrible, Phil. Alright, I'm in short. Typical, as I entered, we dropped fucking 10 points. Yeah, entering on the 3-minute again today. Got about a 13-point worse off entry. I'll drag my stop all the way down there in case we get an insane day. While we're trading aggressive at least lower day. Hasn't fully broken yet though, no man. No, we need some nice closes underneath the underneath 439 really, don't we? We've got London lows at 415. But yeah, I would at least expect to see lower day at 375 if we do break down. Decent close in the 5 minute. Do we get it? Do we get it? Oh yes, not too bad, not too bad. Does look a bit sweepy, but thank you. ES just retesting the current day point of control. If I was on the 1 minute, I would have been flipped to longs. It'd be interesting to see today if I avoid some flip flopping, or I lose more money because I'm on the 3 minute. But if I was on the 1 minute, I'd be in a long right now. And I'd have been stopped out there. But then I'd be in a short. Yeah, I'm already preferring the 3 minute today. Fire sessions until candle close. Indicator said go long. It does on the 1 minute. I need to wait for this candle close. See what I'm doing today. But now. Right, I'm reversed. Oh, that was a loss. That was big spike up right at the end there, didn't we? Yeah, that was about a 1k down on that short. Yeah, ideally we need a nice push above these highs and closes. But then it would just been a nice little liquidity sweep down here, then a push up hopefully for the day, but hoping we don't just fall back within the range. Otherwise it's going to be one of them days. I thought I said date at 10 AM then. But no thank you, mate, but thanks anyway. Yeah, snooze in 2 minutes, haven't we? It's only orange folder, it shouldn't be too detrimental, hopefully. Hopefully it gives us a bit of a push in the right direction. Yeah, consumer confidence in the manufacturing index, 1 minute. Yes, looking very choppy in it. I imagine we'll go sideways now until this news. 20 seconds. Hi, Mad. How are you anyway? I haven't seen you in a little while. You've been keeping well? Consumer confidence come in higher than expected them. Yeah, I think if I was in the 1 minute today, I would have been about 25 points down rather than the 50 points down. Just looking at this briefly. My quick estimations. So far, I'd have been better off on the 1 minute. Nathan, yo, how you doing, man? How you doing? How you doing? Any trades yet? I've had one short, which I've reversed. So I'm about 50 points down. I'm in a long now on the indicator. No trades on the fundeds today. Been liking the look of previous day point of control, but we haven't got up there. Was sort of expecting us to get up there during London, but we went sideways, didn't we? So nothing as of yet, but yeah, the only sort of trade I'm liking the look of. Short from previous day point of control. What about you, Nate? Any trades yet? Come on then, NQ, we need to push these highs. bit of a nasty slap down. Not the best of 5-minute closes, but not the worst either. Thank you, bullish candles struggling right now. No, man, we're just looking like we're going to fall back within the range, aren't we? The fact that we're testing these levels again for what, the 3rd time? Maybe you can even say 4th time. I'd like to think we will push through at some point, but I hate Tuesdays. Taco, how you doing, man? How you doing? How you doing? How did you finish up yesterday, Taco? Your full take profit would have been hit in the end, would it? I'm sure you were targeting roughly where I was wanting to short from. And I think we just about got there. I think we fell just a little bit short of it, but... So I was content with 601. I closed like 599 instead of trying to hold a large take profit up 900 and up 1,500 on the eval. Nice, man. Great day. Great day. Smashing day. Here we go, again some traction there, again some traction there. Ideally we sustain this and don't just fall back in. Up 824 on the eval today. I think I'm going to call it. Nice, Stoney, man. Fucking great day for a Tuesday, mate. Great day. Yeah, call it, mate. I think it's always a good idea if you're having a good day. Call it early. There's no need to sit there and lose it, is there? So, especially on a Tuesday. Not the nicest of bars, that one. Here he is. How you doing, Sam? I'm not too bad, mate. How you doing? How you doing? No trade today, or are you done? Had a bit of a rough start this morning. Down 50 points at the minute. Sam, what's the name of the music? If you have a look in the description, there should be a link to this playlist on Epidemic Sound. Yeah, it should be the full playlist. This specific song is... I gotta find it. Life Goes Up and Down by Ruzza. Living up large with a $14 day. Mate, what I'd give to be up $14 right now. Crazy rejects enough that push up. I know, man. Not the best of bars. Hopefully we can get a nice 5-minute close, but thank you. I'm going for the hiking. Good luck for today's trading. Cheers, mate. Yeah, good luck with you. Good luck with the hike, man. Good luck with the hike. Yeah, enjoy. Get out in nature. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the day. Exit my entry and was right 2, saw 3 suggestions of a direction change, so that's me done. I'll say hello. Hello. Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's going to be a great day, is it? I don't think it's going to be a great day. I've got my my full take profit at best case scenario, but we'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. I'll be trailing up when we get up to the first take profit, if we get there. Bit of a doji on the 5 minute. How have you been there, Lewis? Trading going alright? Absolutely smashing it as always. Yeah, especially like I can see him move, but I was overlooking. No trade suggestion for me yet. I don't blame you, man. Tuesdays are never amazing anyway. Choppy Tuesday, choppy Tuesday. Yeah, what we need is a nice 5 minute close above these highs, 518. Been okay, slowed down since middle of last week. Had a break even, 280 lost to them, 665 yesterday. Nice, man. Took Friday off to play golf. How's your golf game coming? You I'm sure when you first started hanging around in my stream, you were just sort of picking it up. Still enjoying it? Been going regularly and stuff? I don't think I wouldn't mind playing golf one day. When I got the time. Nice way to spend a morning in it. Out in nature, hitting balls. Gonna grab a Tradeify, trade the funders. They had a deal on, but didn't in the end. Rules weren't clear. Yeah, it's it can get a bit. But there's certain rules with like payout windows and stuff like that, which sort of I mean, I haven't really had a good look into it, but I think that throws people off. Right, not played much this summer. Has been away. We can spend viewing houses. Yeah, man, I bet. I imagine, obviously, looking at buying a house, that consumes a lot of your brain, doesn't it? As well as trading and stuff as well, so not a lot of time for leisure. So top set banned someone from live after they failed their second live account. Hey, they can't trade anything with them now. What? So what happened? They banned someone from live after they failed their second live account. So they've gone live twice, failed again on live, and now they've just been banned altogether. It's probably because I don't imagine it's cheap to get someone converted over to live. Maybe they don't want to keep remaking people live. If they're going to keep failing it, maybe, I don't know. This game's bro, I didn't get an entry, but new ones that closed 5 or 6, it was going up. Yeah, we're getting there. Not a great close in the 5-minute though. I'd love to have seen a close on that last 5-minute bar above 518. That'd be nice, but we're slowly grinding up. Again, ES is the same. Still just about closing back in that range, aren't we? Slow and steady, I know. I don't love slow and steady. I want it here and now. I want it straight up. Straight to my take profit. I'm AJ. Obviously, the slower and steadier it is, the harder it is to sit through, I think. But just gotta follow the process, follow the signals, do as I'm told, and follow the rules, and yeah, we'll get there. I think I just get spoiled too much with the vertical days. When you're in a position and it's going exactly where you want it to go, and it's going there very quickly. You get that very occasionally, and then I just expect that all the time. Leo, how you doing, man? Bit late today, mate. What's going on? Time to call this. Come on, let's go, let's go. Could see a little bit of resistance to the, around the point of control. Previous day point of control. ES has just tapped into Asia Open. At the airport, going to visit family. Straight at the airport, like a giga chat. That's the DJ right there, man. I can't believe you've also got my stream up as well. Right, 19 seconds until candle close. Nice, finally a decent 5-minute close. Nice close on the ES as well. Up $30, not worth it. $30 is $30, mate. That'll do the in-flight meal, mate. That's all good. There'll be a move. Yeah, that's it, mate. That's it. If you're not in at your perfect entry, there's no point in getting in. Wait until you're subs, yeah, man. Wait until you're subs there. Two minutes until the 15 close. That could hopefully close nicely. So yeah, still not a little bit of the previous opening control as expected. Trade just to count towards the traded day. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I suppose you need your days, don't you, to get your payout, is that right? Mate, I've had a stiff neck now for days. It's been weird. Must have slept funny or something at some point and just not recovering. Could potentially get a pullback to my entry, to be honest, on this. Wouldn't be surprised. Rather not, but Up there, days 3 you have to just to trade, doesn't matter the profits. And 5 you need 50 or more. Okay, 50 or more, that's not too bad at all, is it really? That's doable. Alright, we had a nice 15-minute close on there. That's a good side. You can grow your account breaking all the rules, and you trade 8 days like a saint. And request a payout. That's how the pros do it, man. That's how the pros do it. Fair play. Oh. pretend it's trying to go against you, please. Good luck, everyone. I'll try not to be, man. The thing is, like, a pullback to my entry is pretty reasonable. Like, we're not really that far from my entry. It's not really like anywhere amazing to be moving stop loss to. We push up and get a nice close above this little high that we've made. I can move to break even or maybe just under. Take some risk off at least. You guys try and check when I can. See you later, mate. Enjoy your flight. Hopefully it's not too painful. Two flights and a 15-hour bus ride to get to my family city. Jesus. 15-hour bus ride, mate. That's a day, that is. That's a travel day, that is. Fuck now. I don't envy you, mate. I don't envy you. That's a mad one, that. But do you know what I mean? It'd be nice when you get there, wouldn't it? Hopefully you're there long enough to make the trip worth it. I hope you're not going all that way just for 2 days or something. How do you set up a live stream like that? What do you mean, man? What do you mean? I use OBS. So that, Leo, mate, enjoy. Or try to at least. I hope you've got a book with you. Boys, I just got my refund from Halfords for the windshield wipers that I collected, but they didn't think I collected, so free windshield wipers. Happy days. Is OBS free? Yes, mate. OBS is free to download. Free to download, free to use. I think there's like paid themes and stuff you can use, but I don't use anything like that. Hoping this is a low of the pullback that we're getting. I mean, it could quite easily come back to my entry. I'd rather it didn't, but... What camera do you have? I think I might have a link in the description of this video. I think. It's a Logi something. Just double checking. Trump hasn't scheduled a little speech or something. Well, point of control is flipped to this level, which means in the last what 5 minutes, a lot of volume suddenly appeared at this level. This is on micros, and let me check out on the normal one. Yeah, I like to see that personally. Volumes, point of control is down here. We've had a pullback, and then obviously we've had a suddenly surge of volume at this level, which hopefully means we've got buyers stepping up here. But then hopefully we push away. Obviously this is ES, and I prefer to look at ES for like volume profile stuff. That's where the majority of the volume is. Crazy quality, but do you need good lighting? Anti-position, put stop loss on this. Break even on the sub. Nah, I'm alright at the minute, mate. If we take this high and close above it, I'll probably be moving to break even pretty much just below. Do you need good lighting? Yes, I think it's good to have good lighting. It does make a big difference. It does make a difference. I haven't got anything crazy though. I've literally got like a little square white light thing that attaches to the top of cameras and stuff, which was possibly a tenner. You get some people that got the crazy, like, fucking massive spotlight ones, haven't you? I haven't got anything like that. Just got my just got the light on in the room. I've got a lamp behind my monitor, just sort of lights up a little bit more. And then like the light that sits on top of a camera. Nothing major. I mean, if let me turn off my lamp and this white light just so you can get an idea. This is just with a normal light on in the room, which isn't amazing, is it? That's the lamp. And then this is the little white light I've got. Right, I'll just move my stop loss, secure some profit. If we have had volume step up here, I'd like to think that it won't break down much lower than this. Ideally, I'd like to have seen it close above that high, but we haven't got it just yet. Nice 5-minute close. Closing that 5-minute bar. Thanks for the help. Keep hustling YouTube, man, and good luck if you're jumping on the stream, man. If you're jumping on the live stream journey, mate, good luck with it. It's good fun once you get used to it. Bit weird starting it. So I don't like trading gold. It's not that I don't like it. It's just that I'm not currently. I have in the past, and I didn't mind it. But I don't trade it currently. I wouldn't mind trialing the volume profile stuff in gold. I'm sure other people do it on gold. It works quite nicely. At the minute, I only do this on ES. I haven't been doing volume profile too long, so I'm quite keen just to stick to what I know at the minute. Do you know what I mean? I think I will get to a point where I experiment a bit more. I was saying at the start of the stream, I haven't taken a volume profile trade since like Wednesday last week. Just hasn't been anything on the any sort of setup for me. So it'd be cool to look at a few different markets, like something like gold or something, and trade that if that looks better, kind of situation. And yeah, Stoney, this indicator that I'm trading as well is only on NQ at the minute, at least, anyway. So I'm only trading NQ for this indicator, but yeah, the volume profile stuff I'm definitely open to experiment in the future with other things like gold and that. I'm still not convincing this long. It's another reason I don't like the slow and steady days, because I feel the longer you're in it, the more you just talk yourself out of it. The harder it is to manage correctly. Yeah, the longer it takes to get up there, the more I start thinking, oh, maybe we're not going up there. And also, the longer that you're in a trade, the longer you expose yourself to the risk of Trump tweeting something, which I don't ever love. Depends on if it's in my favour or not. We should secure profits already, yeah. It's just one of them ones that's hard. I feel like a pullback to a very quick pullback to my entry would be okay if we respect my entry. But the trouble is, if we're getting down there and we don't respect my entry, then it's a loss, isn't it? Full loss. We'll just keep going. And yeah, I don't feel like the price action really warrants like a stop move, trade and stop move up. Do you know what I mean? But it sort of does, in the sense that I don't feel that confident in it. Basically, it could quite easily play out that we get a strong pullback to my entry and snap rejection, quick bounce off of my entry, then fly out to my take profit, and then I'll be annoyed that I've trailed too aggressive. Do you know what I mean? But on the other hand, if we do come down to my entry and don't respect it, then it's going to be another loss, and I'm already like, what, 50 points down on the day. Don't want to be another 50 points down. But trying to find that balance of trailing properly in it. I don't know, it's hard. It's hard to trail, I think. I think it's easy when the market's decisive and knows exactly what it's doing, and you're confident in the move. When it's stalling and taking its time, and it can be hard to trail. You want to trade enough to not miss out on too much and not give too much back, but you don't want to trail too much and then get stopped out, and then it runs to your take profit. How many points are you looking for? I mean, my best case scenario, 120 points up to my full take profit. Once we hit my first take profit at 586, that's when I'll be trading aggressive. That's when I'm like, right, it can quite easily reverse here. I don't want it to go any further. Don't want to give too much back. But I also want to give it the room if it wants to push up to the full take profit. But yeah, I start getting more aggressive when we hit first take profit. Or have first target, sorry, should I say. Then more challenge, mate. 150k challenge. I've got 3 fundeds on top step as well. I haven't taken a trade on that yet though. Not been the best of sessions, to be honest. Profit I got the 150k. 9k. ES is still just about on the right side of the point of control in it. Gives me a little bit of confidence. But we need to be making moves to the highs, don't we? Looking like we're not going to get the best of closes. Back at that point of control on the day on ES. I apologise for the Nightbot. I have it set up that it should do them comments sort of 20 minutes apart, half an hour apart. For some reason, it completely ignores me and does it whenever the fuck it wants and batches them all up together. Ideally, aggressive buyers step in here and push it back up to that previous state point of control. I did say, you know, we're gonna struggle around this area, but I didn't think it would be this hard. And short here, broke from the trend. Fair play, mate. Fair play. Come on out there, have a good day. See you later, mate. Small scalp, I only look for 15-20. Yeah, see you later, Stoney, mate. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take it easy. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Oh yeah, 15-20 points, only small, isn't it? You may possibly get it. We may take this little low here, I think. Probably just stop me out and then we'll run. Close above an hourly zone, so it might have to retest, but it could be a short one. Once I get 5 million confirmation, I'd get in for buys. If it's hard, I'd look for sells. Fair play, tackle, mate. Good luck to you. I just wanted to do something, to be honest. Something would be nice. Up or down rather than sideways. Preferably up, but... Okay, this is that low going to be taken probably. Or swap that level. We need to bounce here, otherwise it's going to be a stop out, I think. Yeah, it's going to be a frustrating one, because I reckon we come back to my entry and then push up. If we do come down any further, I reckon it'll be my entry hit and push up later in the session, or maybe PM session or something. Oh, nice one, mate. Nice. Lovely short there, mate. Yes, it's fell below the point of control. Oh, the patience, like you, man. I definitely give you props for that. Mate, I don't have the patience for it. I just find days like today frustrating because I'm not happy with where my stop is, but I don't really have much choice. It's sort of forcing my hand. But quite reasonably, we could come back to my entry. and then run up from there. But there's the risk that we melt through my entry, and then I don't need another full loss. It sort of forces my hand. Got to sort of secure some profits in, but could potentially be missing out on a bigger move because of it. But it's obviously not worth that risk, is it? Because it's obviously nothing's guaranteed. But I just know, fucking sod's law, mate. That's exactly what will happen. But if I left my stop where it was, my original stop loss, it would have been a big fat loss. I don't mind being patient for the longer moves if I feel a bit more confident in it and we're making sort of good structure. So if we suddenly push up now and get some nice closes above here, happy days. I'll be perfectly comfortable holding, but just a difficult day. Living a fog in this mark, I can't see too far out. Yeah, no, 100% agree with you, mate. And I mean, on the funders, my strategy is like you small scalps in and out. I look for certain levels. On ES, I'm looking for 5 points 1-to-1. Let's have a limit order set on my level, and I'm looking for a very quick reaction, and it can carry on going up. Then I don't care, and I love that because it's quick in and out. The less time that you're in the markets, the less risk you're exposing yourself to, isn't you? But this is just an indicator that I've been trying it out, and it's a good little indicator. I'm enjoying it, but it's just yeah, going back to the old buy and hold and trail and trading it right, and there's more to it, isn't there? Just a bit of learning curve. I haven't sort of had trades that I sort of hold for longer than maybe 20 minutes since I really first started trading. I used to do like ICT, you know what I mean? I used to hold big ones then, but obviously I stopped that for a reason, so. Well, when I used to do like the EMA strategy I used to do, that was like a capturing the trend kind of strategy. And I never used to mind holding that then, but I always used to take half off at 1-to-1, then move to break even, so risk was off the table after hitting 1-to-1. And then I could trail then a bit better because there's then less emotions on the table. And I could take partials of this. I could jump onto micros, do 10 micros instead of 1 mini. Take half off at a decent level, or even 3/4, or. But then with the micros, you get quite a bit more fees, don't you? So I'd rather just do one mini. It's easier. Right, I'm going to trade up a little bit more now, just below this, because if we start breaking down below this latest 3-minute bar, I'm not interested. $15 minutes isn't looking horrendous. Yes, looking quite nice. I think I'm entering an taco. Call it a day, man. Don't chase it. It's not the day to be chasing it. Or at least wait for another entry. You switch your micros to pro accounts. I've been now and hour whether I should do or not. I don't think I will, but what I think I might do is trail a lot more aggressively until I'm out of that drawdown period. Like, I can't be sort of having like nearly 40 points coming back against me. I've got to be just trading up quite aggressively, and just it's going to take a lot longer. Obviously, you got the intraday drawdown, aren't you, on the pro accounts? I'd say it'll take longer. It'll be smaller wins, but ooh, stopped out there then. Down 800 on the day. You watch, this will just be a little wick, won't it? Yeah, not the best of days, but I think if I traded the 1 minute, I'd be around probably break even. Or if I just taken profit at the highs, which is obviously easier said than done, I'd have been at break even. So my exit then. 512. How many points am I down? 790. Yeah, down about 39 points on the day. Not the best of days. Maybe 598, but maybe 588 might be better. Yes, potentially. I mean, oh, I better get on my profit target. My first target was 590, just under. But it's just one of them days, isn't it? I can't bear Tuesdays. Tuesdays are never amazing. Right, I think I'm going to call it a day there anyway. So the only other trade idea that I'm liking the look of is a short from the previous day putting control on ES around the 6470 mark. If we get up there or not. If we get up there. Right. Yeah, so back tomorrow, normal time. Take it easy if you're still trading. You watch, this will just rock it now. This will just rock it now. That's what normally happens. Have a good one, guys. Cheers for stopping by, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Get out.